If you are experiencing joint pains, please concentrate on your digestive capacity. If you are Agni, that means your digestive capacity is not good. You should be eating very less food, and only you should eat food when you can easily digest the food. If at one time you are eating a food which is very heavy, you should concentrate on reducing the next meal. Otherwise, it will result in joint diseases. And Dr. Shamna Prasad, practicing Ayurvedic physician from 27 years in Spandana Ayurvedic Clinic, Kasaragod. I am doing this video for a very valid reason, for especially female who are 45 to 50 years and above age group who are suffering from joint pains, because I always see in my clinic that they have a very weak digestion and they are continuously eating food which are very heavy, thinking that protein will help them and certain omega-3 fatty acids, pumpkin seeds, etc. will help them. But please note, if your digestion is not good, it is not going to be absorbed in your body also, and it is going to result in toxic, indigested food material, which will also again increase your joint pains. Now, there are very basic rules for digestion. This can be followed by everybody who does not have joint pain, and especially should be followed by people who have joint pain. That is, morning you have to eat like a king, afternoon you have to eat like a minister, and night you have to eat like a worker. That means morning you have to have heavy meals, which is including everything, carbohydrate, protein, everything. And by afternoon your meal should be half. And by night, you have to finish your meal by 7:30 to 8 o'clock and allow the digestion to happen until morning. You have to take a gap between the last meal and sleep, that is 2 hours of gap. After 2 hours of eating the last meal, you can sleep. As early as morning, you can get up so that your system starts. Take a glass of hot water and you will be good to go. Now, mild exercises are suggested for joint pains, but that does not mean that mild is just moving your hands and legs. That is not a mild exercise. You have to walk half an hour per day because joints rely on movement. Now, if gym is suggested or not, after you are very accustomed to certain amount of exercise and certain amount of walking, you can definitely go for the gym or any proper cardio exercises and muscle strengthening exercises, because muscle strengthening will definitely help you regain your joint health. Please note this, ladies. If somebody is eating protein, chicken and telling that it is good for your joint, don't follow that blindly. Is this food suiting your digestion? That is the most important aspect. If you have a very weak digestion, it will again result in joint pains. So I'll tell you a very simple and followable thing which everybody can follow. That is, eat very digestible food. Don't go for fancy foods. Like I suggest khichdi. Khichdi contains ginger, jeera, turmeric, pepper. It contains all the anti-inflammatory herbs. You can include all these anti-inflammatory herbs in your other foods also. You can make ginger tea. I've always been saying this. And you can make turmeric with pepper milk. That is called turmeric latte now. You can use all these herbs for very consistently in your diet, so that it will benefit as an anti-inflammatory and it will digest your food. If you have a great digestion in that day, you are feeling very, very hungry, eat up to your 65 to 70% capacity, and that's it. You have to stop, and you have to eat very digestible food and also drink little hot water throughout the day for the digestion to be alright. And please take care of constipation. If you have constipation, the joint pains will definitely increase. We at Spandana are ready to help you with calorie charts and any charts which you require for weight gain or weight loss. And we can provide you information for whatever your need is. Want any information about the herbs, we are ready to give you. We are very thankful for you for liking and sharing all our videos, and we are indebted to you for all these years of 27 years. Thank you very much.